Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my power hour for the month of August, and I'm just going to go through and see how much I can get done in an hour. I've made my list of everything that I want to get done, and I just want to start off by saying thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I've gotten a ton of new ones this week, and I'm so thankful for you guys, and I really hope that you're enjoying these videos. If you ever have any video ideas or requests, please post down below in the comment section because I would love to hear your requests. Sometimes I run out of ideas, so I would love to hear what you guys would like to see. For the most part, I'm not going to talk throughout this video. I will link below all the products that I use. I'm pretty sure everything, well, most everything I used was from the Grove Collaborative, and I do have a link right now for a free 5-piece set of Mrs. Meyer's products. So if you guys aren't familiar with Grove, you should totally check it out. And let's get into it. right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel, and we'll see you all next time. Have a great day. Bye.